Ever found yourself stuck trying to resize your Canva design without messing it up? Today, I'll show you the easiest ways to change your canvas size, whether you're a pro user or not. If you have a Canva Pro account, resizing is super straightforward. Start by opening your design, then click the resize button at the top of your screen. You'll see suggested dimensions, or you can go fully custom and enter the exact width and height you need. Once you've chosen your size, simply click Resize this design and watch your canvas adjust instantly. It's perfect for switching between social media formats, presentations, or print-ready files without starting from scratch. Now, if you're using the free version of Canva, don't worry, you can still get the job done. The trick is to create a new design with your desired dimensions first. Then, go back to your original design, select all the elements you want to keep, and copy them over to the new canvas. It might take a few extra clicks, but it ensures your layout stays intact and looks exactly the way you want. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can resize your Canva designs easily, saving time and keeping your creativity flowing. No more struggling with awkward dimensions or starting over from scratch. Give it a try and see how much smoother your design process becomes. Happy designing!